Bombshell 502 here, and I'm going to make a new series on, it's going to be a how-to series. This is how to clean out a gerbil cage. First you clean out the food bowls. I have a lot of bedding in it. Okay. Organize their space, living quarters, and after that, get some food. I'm gonna go take this baby with me. There's the food. Should grab this one. Okay, making our way back to the gerbil cage. Yes, the gerbils. Now after pretty much all the main shit is done, I'll go show you what the gerbils look like. You see them crawling around the cage, of course. Okay. Get off. Walk across my room. Just put all the gerbil crap away. Okay. And what we're gonna do. Look at my little gerbil right there. They're going in bed. They're not tired at all. What we're gonna do next is water. Gonna get fresh water. Just walk through here to the bathroom. So that's where I'm gonna get my water. That's where I'm gonna get my water. Screw the cap. Put the knob down because there's a little floating ball. See right there? A white thing. It's a ball. Shoot it off. Pull the water up. After that, you hold it like that, and let's get out of here. Okay, now on the margin. It's sort of freaking off. There. Okay, it's good. So, yeah, sorry about the tripod there. So now, water. And what I do, take 5 tubes, 5 itty bitty tubes. Well, for my gerbil, but 5 itty bitty tubes. Toilet paper tubes. 2 more are coming, girls. And yes, they're both girls. Have fun with your tubes. Okay, then what we're going to do now is put the wheel in. Put their wheel in. So like the exercise on it. And just on the bedding right there. Okay. Now to show you feisty little girl. Her name's Coco. See right there? She's chubby. Fat girl. Yeah. Oh shit, don't bite. Ow, hurt. Okay. Shelby. Hey! Trying to go in the tube. Okay, let's watch Coco. Here's a Shelby. I like it when her tail spins. I'm not gonna jump. And this is gonna be Bombshell 502 on the How To series. And I'm signing out. Goodbye.